You made it.
It was hard, but it was good.
Babe, are you dizzy?
You're gonna feel that a little bit because of the elevation. Are you okay? Look, is that New Hampshire?
Say it like this time. To take you to the castle.
Takes us down all the way up.
That cannot be true.
Yeah, they didn't have this here before, so we could have. But it was a fun ride up. So, you know. You good? You good? Okay. We're almost up there. It's pretty. Let's get our workout. We're getting our workouts in today, aren't we?
You made it.
It was hard, but it was good.
They made it, babe.
It was brutal though.
It was.
Babe,
It just never got easy either.
that's why you drive. You go all the way around
Yep.
you.
Towards the middle.
Wow.
The heat, yeah.
So after the Philly ride from Newark to Philly, I knew I was gotta always carry like a towel, bro. And
Yeah, you can go right up there too.
that's
Yeah, it's fun.
So maybe I should wear my sneakers then.
It's only right there, though. It's only, you're not. That's where it, you know. Yeah, you gotta. Look at this. We are. We are. You're being recorded right now.
Am I?
Oh yeah. Look at this.
Anything I say will be used against me?
Uh-huh. And all my subscribers will take my side.
Oh, really?
This is where they got married, right here. They had all the,
Right here?
yep. So they rented it out. They had all the chairs right here. So they had all the chairs right here, all the way to the back. And they got married right here. Wow, look at that.
Dios mío, mira.
When this is all open, or when you can see better, it's beautiful. I mean, it's beautiful now. Yeah, I think so. Okay, I see your point, Jenny. This is hard to. Yeah, I see your point.
Can I just
I'll get at this side. How are you? Good. Good. Wow.